Hi, it's Tim on Digital Woodworking. Today I'd like to talk about one of the most important ingredients for successful digital woodworking. And that's really the drawings and the plans that you use in order to make the things that you would with a CNC or a laser cutter or even a 3D printer. It requires good plans. One of the things that this channel is focused on, as well as my writing on popular woodworking, has been on techniques and methods and such. But I haven't had too much opportunity to talk about the actual plans themselves. So moving forward, what I'd like to do is offer more plans to the viewers here. Most of them are going to be free. And the easy way to get those plans is two steps. Number one, I'd certainly appreciate if you look down below and follow me on YouTube. Number two is down below is a link to my website, woodworking.digital, where you could sign up and get access to the free downloads area. If I have a plan to share, to offer to you, it's going to be available on my website at woodworking.digital. And the way to hear about it first, and the way to get access, particularly to the free patterns and plans and things like that, is to look down below for the link to woodworking.digital. And if you do that, you'll be the first to hear about it, and you'll have access to the plans that I can make available. So again, this is Tim for Digital Woodworking. I really appreciate your time. Thanks again for watching.